Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm doing a Born Pretty haul to show all the products that they sent me. I'll also be doing a dip nail design using some of the products. So let's get right into the video. So these are the products that I chose. I made sure to pick out some nail accessories for the Halloween, fall and Christmas season. So I have all of the seasons covered. Born Pretty has some really nice products and I was happy to do another haul. If you'd like to see my first nail haul, I'll link it in the cards for you guys to see. So the first thing we have is this Nicole Diary Purple Dip Powder. It's a really pretty glitter and I also swatched it for you guys so you could see how it looks on a nail. So if few of y'all have been asking me to do spider gel nail design, I really didn't know anything about spider gel before some of you asked. So I made sure to pick up a spider gel to try out and I chose my favorite color, which is pink. And I really like how Born Pretty package their products because they are sealed really good, so you're sure that it would not spill or anything when it is in transit. And right here we have watercolor nail painting pen. I picked out a pink and a blue. I wanted to try it out because I've seen it a lot on Instagram and stuff. So I just wanted to try it to see if it's good or what designs I could do with it. And if you're interested in anything that I've shown, I'll leave a link in the description below to all of the stuff. And if you decide to purchase anything, you could use my code Cherael20 for 20% off of your order. So I'm just showing you how I assemble one of the pens, and I also did a swatch of the watercolor just to see how it looks. I honestly thought you could have used acetone to move around the ink, but that didn't work when I tried it. I don't know if it's because I didn't apply top coat to the swatch right there, that's why it probably didn't work. So I'll be doing it over again sometime soon, so I'll try that. So I also picked out some Christmas stickers. Yes, 'tis the season, is very soon, so I'm very excited for that. I love Christmas, so I already have designs planned out for this. And I also picked up some Halloween stickers and I believe they glow in the dark, but I'm not quite sure and I didn't test them out. So I will be doing a design using these. So I'll test them out then and see if it really works. I also picked up some iridescent butterfly stickers. I really have an obsession with butterfly stickers, so it's not going to end anytime soon. Anytime I see butterfly stickers, I need to have them. Then I picked up these gold leaves, which are really beautiful. I cannot wait to use them. So let's get right into the video where I do a dip powder application. So hi nail friends and welcome back to another episode of Mani Tuesday. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I created this glitter nail design using Nicole Diary and Revel nail dip powders. So these are my clean and prep natural nails and I'm applying my Cherael Sky Bond to dehydrate my nails. So I'll be doing some nail extension today with some nail forms. So I apply my nail forms to my nails, ensure that it is snug under your natural nails. I have a video where I go more in depth with this, so I'll link that in the cards for you guys to see. So now I apply a layer of base to 3/4 of the nail, and I poured my clear dip powder on my nail. Then I applied base to the whole nail, and then I poured the clear dip powder over the nail. So what I'm doing there is basically just building the nail, because that is what I usually do when I have on nail tips. So I'm basically doing the same thing, just building the structure of the nail. Now, using my Revel purple dip powder, I continue to do the same thing. I believe I did about 2 layers of that. Well, I guess I did 3 layers. So I show the side angle of the nail so that you can see it's not quite built up as yet, and that's okay. So I just apply activator to harden the nail, and then I move on to my other nails. So I'd also like to mention, from October 10th to the 16th, Born Pretty is having a 10-year anniversary sale. So if you like anything that I've showed in the nail haul, this would be a great time to purchase. You can also use my code Cherael20 for 20% off. So you can check out my description. I would have the link and all the details right there. Now on the ring finger, I'll be using the Nicole Diary glitter dip powder, which is a beautiful glitter dip powder. I really like it. It's really pretty. So I'll basically be doing the same thing to my ring finger and my pinky nail as well. Oh shit! Yes, that's because I wasn't watching what I was doing. I forgot that there were clear dip powders in the tray. My bad. So right here I'm applying activator to harden the nail so that I could remove the nail foam to further build the nail. So I'm just showing you the side angle, and on the middle finger I just begin to file the surface of the nail because it was a bit bumpy, but I actually filed into the nail bed area, but that was okay because I was going to further build the nail. I wanted a smooth surface in order to continue building the nail because I'll be doing my first ever vertical ombre, so I wanted it to have a smooth surface. So now I apply base to the whole nail. Yeah, I really didn't know what I was doing there. I had to think. And then I started to sprinkle the glitter on one side of the nail. It really was not coming out that great on my first go. Yeah, I didn't know what I was really doing. So I think I filed it off and started over again because it was kind of untidy. So yeah, I don't know what happened. I think the camera cut off. So yes, I just began to sprinkle the glitter on one side and then I sprinkled the purple, the powder, on the other side. I did about 3 layers of that, which wasn't necessary. 2 was necessary. However, on the second layer, it didn't come out that good. The ombre wasn't really a nice ombre, so that's why I went back for a 3rd layer. I should have just stayed with this 1 layer because it was good, you know, but I needed it to get to a fuller opacity. I think it was still too sparse in my opinion, but right here it looked good, so I should have left it. But while I was doing it, I found it was looking a bit too spacey, so that's why I did that. So guys, as you can see how that ombre looked horrible. I tried to do the scrub method, but obviously that would not work with glitter. So that's why I had to do the 3rd layer just to fix that. So now I further encapsulate all of the nails with my Pro Dip Clear Dip powder. I did a few layers to build the nail, but I would only be showing 1 layer. So I'm just showing you the side angle of all of the nails to show you how flat all of them are. Then I applied activator, waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. Filing my nails was a bit intimidating because I usually have my nail tips to guide me, but for this one I had to rely on experience, and I don't have that much because the nail tips really do save me. So it took me a while. It took me a long time to get these nails in shape, and it really wasn't that bad. I kind of psyched myself out because I became dependent on the nail tips, but it's basically the same steps I took, just needed to stop being so extra and calm my ass down. So if you'd like to see how I usually file my nails, I'll leave a link to that in the cards and in the description below. So this is after filing of the nails. So I'm just showing you my battle scars from filing. In those areas I cut myself with the nail file. It hurt a lot, And then I'm also showing you the apex of all of the nails. The pinky has the best apex in my opinion because I started on the index. Remember, I always said the first nail you start on is usually the one you kind of mess up on. This was my second time doing this nail extension with nail forms, so it's still new to me and I actually didn't mess up, but you know, it still showed that I got better along the way. So I'm just showing you that. So right here I'm just applying my Model 1's gel top coat and I cured for 30 seconds. So when I say I cap the free edge, that's what I mean right there, by placing some top coat on the tip area of the nail, not just on the surface of the nail. So most of the nails I always cap the free edge, and this would ensure that the nail doesn't peel, the gel top coat does not peel off the nails after a few days. So always do that, always cap your free edge. And I'm applying my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So I hope you like this Born Pretty nail haul and dip application, and don't forget to check out their sale and use my code Cherael20 for 20% off. So if you like this video, check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys.